What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 10 live cop. I'm super excited about this drop, guys. We got the Minolta camera dropping this week. Of course, though, this week is highlighted by the Ghostface collab. There are quite a few items I wouldn't mind grabbing. Like, I actually really like that arc hooded sweatshirt. It's a little unfortunate that it's $200 though, and it's also unfortunate the Minolta camera is $300. But I also really like the mask, and they're only $38, so that kind of seems like a steal to me. I also forgot too that the Doc Martens are dropping this week, but we're actually gonna pass on those. I'm not saying I don't like them, but I definitely think they've made way better ones in the past, so we're just gonna skip out on those. And I think there's only one other thing. Oh yeah, and then I'm kind of thinking about grabbing the Umbro soccer jersey. I'm really feeling it actually after I saw again the model taking a picture on Supreme's story. So I don't know, that's a maybe though. It is $128. I feel like it should have been $118. I know it's only $10, but I don't know, still kind of on the fence about that one. So I guess honestly the main thing we're gonna go for is the Minolta camera, and I kind of want to try to get that with the masks, even though that's probably going to be a terrible idea, but we still might try that. And then even though the arc hooded sweatshirt is the #1 most wanted item, we might circle back and try to get that. I know I just said it's the #1 most wanted item, but I don't know, just for some reason I'm kind of on the fence about it. Like, I think it's really sick, but I feel like 9 times out of 10 when I think it's really sick, it ends up being a flop. I don't know, something about this hoodie, I feel like I gotta try to grab it, and I would probably get it in the black colorway, even though I think I like the gray colorway better. But I feel like if I am gonna try to resell it, black might be better to grab. So yeah, it's a bit of a small drop, but a pretty expensive drop, because if I got just the camera and the hoodie, we're already at $500. And then obviously we want to try to get the mask and potentially the jersey. And is that everything? Let me make sure. Yeah, that's everything that we're going for. So like I said, not that crazy of a drop, but I kind of feel like these items are gonna fly. So there still is a chance we're gonna take an L today. Obviously we're gonna try to get the Minolta camera in the pink camo colorway. I didn't say that already, but I mean, it's a given. We're going for that color. But yeah, super quick intro, not that crazy of a week. We are running a little bit behind, which is why I kind of had to speed through that. But before we get into the live cop, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You can also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All the information will be on the screen and in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. I've also been uploading some shorts if you want to check those out on the channel as well. And I appreciate all your guys' support. Let's keep the streak going with the live cops. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get right into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We got about a minute left until the drop. I kind of already forgot what was last week. As usual, what did we got? Oh yeah, we had the Spider-Man boxers that we got absolutely cooked on, even though I am kind of feeling like we are also going to get cooked this week as well. I'm hoping that mask is going to be an accessories. I feel like it would be. It's obviously too late now, so when you're watching the video, but you guys just think I should just single cart the camera. I feel like it's going to fly, but 9 times out of 10 this season, I've been wrong. So I don't know, I just feel like that camera's going to fly. All right, we got about 5 seconds left until the drop. Let's see if we can get this. Why did I refresh early? Okay, here we go. Boom, Minolta camera, pink. Might be a terrible decision here, but we're going for it. And then we're just gonna go straight to checkout. There's gotta be a queue. What is this? No wheels? That is a new one. I feel like every week it's a new one. Oh, that all roll on wheels. Yep, there goes the whatever. I can't believe I read that wrong. That is crazy. It definitely cost us the stuff. Okay, still in stock. Wow, right through? I cannot believe I read that incorrectly. But we did get right through, so can we get this? Wow, we actually got that. Is insane to me. Wow, I actually am shocked after I messed that up. So let's go to the hoodie now. Wow, this was $128. And then back to the hoodie. Still in stock. Okay, so we're missing some sizes here. I'm just gonna go for it. And this is gonna be the final cart. Wow, these new ones are just throwing me off. I almost messed up again. Wow, these queues, I'm getting lucky. I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one, but still, usually there's always a queue, and now there's suddenly no queues for like, how many weeks is that now? We should cook. All right, we got it. Wow, that was literally everything and went way quicker than I was expecting it to. All right, so let's see here. You guys think the hoodie sold out? Wow, still in stock, so that is a bit unfortunate. Okay, but the size I got isn't. I kind of thought this was gonna sell out like way faster. What about the mask? Wow, Camera's still there, but both the masks sold out. So this is actually a dub, and I can't believe those were $38. And that skateboard sold out too. Okay, the camera did sell out. We actually got that first cart and all those items did sell out. And I'm assuming the jersey didn't sell out. That was potentially a personal, and yeah, it's still here, but no big deal on that. I was just mainly concerned on if the Ghostface stuff was gonna sell out. Let's do one last look to see if the Ghostface did sell out. And still here in a small. Man, I thought for sure that was gonna fly. Well, at least the size I got is gone, so I'm not too upset about it. That seemed like a super quick live cop. Like, we got right in, right out. And we had 2 carts too. And almost everything we got sold out. Like, this is a dub finally. Well, actually, I feel like we've been actually doing pretty well these last few weeks. And the Doc Martens are not a full-size run, but kind of close to a full-size run. But yeah, not really too much more to talk about, so I guess I could end the live cop here. And that's gonna do it for my Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 10 live cop. That went way quicker than I was expecting. We actually got every single item that we wanted, and they all did sell out pretty quickly. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this drop, or if you've been feeling this drop. I'm actually gonna do one last take though before I end the video, just to see. I know I'm not screen recording, but just to see if the hoodie did sell out. Okay, so the hoodie did actually sell out in all sizes, so that's pretty good. I know this was a really quick one, but if you do like these live cop videos, I got a whole playlist on the channel if you want to check any of those out. And again, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as I'm Brandon Sutton. You could also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All this information will be in the description down below if you want to check any of that out. And lastly, make sure you hit the like button and make sure you subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.